in the state of Maryland, ladies and gentlemen, will be 41 degrees, mostly sunny. Feels like 55 degrees. Expect partly sunny skies. The high will be 52 degrees. With the air quality, with the green stuff of 33. Wind, 4 miles per hour. I'll say it again. Wind, 4 miles per hour. Humidity, 37%. Visibility, 9.90 mile. Pressure, 30.22 inch. And finally, the dew point, 17 degrees. Earlier this morning, it's been cold outside, and we had over 30 degrees. So, cold is going to be 30 degrees earlier. But right now, we're on the 40s, and later on, it's going to be on the 50s. Will be warmer. So you can enjoy activities. You can record, you can enjoy activities, and hang out with your friends and all that. For the Doppler radar in HD, there is no rain, snow. It's quiet and empty. We're going to skip that. Notice, there's no need for umbrella. You can enjoy outdoor activities. Clothing, you have to wear a light jacket. Now showing the wind. Wind is picking up in Baltimore BWI Airport, showing 4 miles per hour. 3 miles per hour in Cumberland, Hagerstown, Frederick. Easton showing 7. Same thing in Lexington Park, Salisbury, Pocomoke City, and of course, Ocean City. So we're on the blue. For tomorrow, it's going to be the high number with over 10 miles per hour. So showing the blue and green. So we do have mostly sunny around 40s. However, we do have a little bit of clouds. Clouds are going to be approaching to Maryland just a little bit. The direction of the clouds is going to be on the eastbound right here in Maryland. Clouds are passing by in Allegheny County, Garrett County, even Washington County. Humidity are definitely showing the 40s. So which is going to be over 40%. Showing the orange and green. Visibility, mostly of the gray stuff with more than 12.4. And we do have over 20s right here in Maryland. Still on the gray. So that's the highest number. However, for tomorrow, it's definitely still going to be on the gray in Hartford, Cecil, Kent, Prince George, Queensland, Talbot, Baltimore, and all that. But however, in Garrett, Allegheny, and Washington are definitely showing different colors. Blue and green showing 5.4 mile and 4.3. And also with 5 and 4. So 5 and 4 is going to be on the blue and green. Definitely that we're showing on the orange. So the sea level pressure, we're definitely showing 30 inch. So that's the orange. Tomorrow is going to be, it's going to be nearly the 30 inch and more than 30s. The dew point definitely showing the light purple with mostly of the 20s. And we do have in Frederick and Hagerstown nearly an inch closer to 20 degrees. And of course tomorrow will be the green and even on the sky blue with the 30s. So we're going to have the 30s and even nearly the 40s. The air quality that we're definitely showing. So we're definitely showing the 30s mostly on the green. With Baltimore, where air quality poses little or no health risk. So like we've been telling you, you can enjoy in outdoor activities. And it's okay to open windows. You don't have to. So 32 is going to be good. All the numbers, as you can see here with the 30s, is going to be good as well. The pollen are showing mostly of the yellow of the moderate. So we're in mostly of the 30s. And then temperatures are going to be, so later today, it's going to be warmer. Earlier, like we've been telling you, it's been cold. But temperatures are going to be on the warmer. And even we're definitely showing the over 40s. So we're in mostly the 40s. And we do have some are going to be on the 50s. So temperatures are going to be changing up the numbers. So we're in mostly of the 40s, however. The only one place that you will have, which is going to be 3 inches closer to 50s, which is in Washington, D.C. Sunny, of course. So we do have mostly sunny. However, we do have sunny in Annapolis and Easton. So the sunrise, 7:05 a.m. and sunset, 7:21 p.m. So today is going to be on the 40s, mostly sunny, and then tomorrow with the partly sunny. So partly sunny tomorrow. Oh, sorry about that, ladies and gentlemen. So the actual answer it was today is going to be partly sunny, but we're going to stick with mostly sunny around 44 degrees. Later it's going to be 52 degrees. And then tomorrow it's going to be light rain showers around 63 degrees, the high of 63 degrees, of course. Now, as always, ladies and gentlemen, listen carefully for the rest of the forecast. Tuesday, mostly sunny with 62 degrees. Wednesday, partly sunny, will be 52 degrees. Thursday, 55 degrees, sunny. And then Friday will be mostly sunny around 62 degrees. And the high of 67 degrees on Saturday is going to be the same, mostly sunny. And of course, Sunday will be cloudy around 62 degrees. So I hope you, ladies and gentlemen, will enjoy the nice weather later on.